Now, my name is Maxine Booth, and I'm here at the film premiere for Ireke. Now, I am so excited as we're going to be meeting the celebrities as well as having a better understanding about things of the past. And it's there for the young as well as the mature. So all I will say to those, if you have not watched this film yet, get down here and watch it, because you will not be disappointed. But for now, I'm going to go inside, and more importantly, I want to meet some of the celebrities. We'll talk to you a bit later. Bye for now.
We're absolute professionals, and you can see they really threw themselves behind the storyline. So
Yeah. But at the same time, even working in the movie, I mean, how did you find that? And even, have you seen the film so far?
I've not seen. I've chosen not to. So I'm gonna go in and watch it like everyone else. Yes. But it's been so I don't know. It's like bittersweet because I know Peter as a friend, and a tear almost fell. A tear almost fell. I've never seen him scrub up so well, but yeah, it's all good. I can't wait to see the movie.
I love it. And yes, genuinely, you have got a lovely voice, Gareth.
Oh, yeah, well, I told you. I told you. Thank you so much.
No problem, and I look forward to hearing
Are you going to see?
Of course, I'm right in there to record.
Right.
Get out of here.
Thank you.
We'll catch up. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Right. Jesus, that casted. You obviously must have
everybody's won.
Yeah.
And it's a pleasure working. They've treated us good.
And why would we not?
Well, they've died. I have played Satan a few times.
Oh.
That's what.
There's a reason
That's
here.
when people have gone. You're really nasty,
right.
aren't you? After,
No, you're not.
There was one production I was doing where I was doing nasty things to a young lady as Satan.
Yeah.
And the audience were literally hissing and booing. And they said it wasn't until after the performance when I came and bowed and smiled that they were, it's actually okay.
Yeah, it happens. I know.
Maybe some people get threatened, don't they?
I was going to say, when you play a good role and you're convincing, unfortunately that is the case sometimes. But I also wanted just to say something that I can't, not say. You are absolutely stunning, my darling. No, genuinely. I'm looking at you and I'm like, you look very beautiful.